Welcome to Waikiki Beach here in Oahu. What's up everybody? So today I am in Oahu here in Hawaii, and I'm at the Outrigger Resort, and let me tell you, this view is awesome. I'm not quite sure how this happened, but apparently I have the penthouse suite, which is, this entire floor is mine up here on the 18th floor. Pretty insane. It's way too much for me because I'm one person. This out again, it's just like there's a whole house in here. It is insane. Today I have a few awesome activities planned. Number one, helicopter tour. Have to do that when you're in Hawaii. I'm gonna make my way to the helipad, and I'll see you guys there. So if you're wondering what I'm doing in Oahu now, hey, we wanted to show your viewers exactly what Hawaii's about. So I said, sure. So that's why I'm here. Right now I'm walking down the street here and gonna go find the place where the pickup point is for my helicopter ride. Look at that, there's actually a motorcycle parade today. I believe they're raising like toys for children. Never know what you'll see in Hawaii. Quite random, huh? Alright, we're about to jump on the helicopter here, and we got our little safety pack here in case we go to the ocean, and it should be a lot of fun. Alright, here we go. Get ready to fly. That was pretty awesome. If you're ever in Hawaii, be sure to do a helicopter ride. It'll blow your mind. All right, it's end of the day here. Didn't get a chance to surf because they closed down the shop before I can rent anything. So I decided to jump on my drone and finish the day off with some aerial shots. As you can tell, everybody loves to enjoy the sunset here in Hawaii, which is why there's a giant line here at the pier. Anyway, so thanks for joining me today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks to Hawaii Tourism USA for sponsoring this video. To plan your own trip to Oahu, check the description below. Well, if you want to watch the sunset in Hawaii, be sure to get in line because everybody else wants to do the same exact thing. Wow, it's a lot of people. It's a nice sight, which explains why everybody's here.